Hi, good morning. Finally, after all this time, it feels like a bit dreamlike this morning and really exciting because we finally got some work being done in the house. Apart from the making the bedroom, and we've had the toilet put in there, just a toilet. There's Jay wandering around, making coffee for the guys that are here doing the roof. I do zoom in a little bit, if you can see, they're stripping the tiles. And I'll take a walk round outside and you'll be able to see better. So it's a bit of a war zone. Like everything in Bulgaria, it seems like nothing happens. And then suddenly everything's happening. So what's going on here is the roof has been completely renovated. We're not having a new one, but it's being renovated. And so what the guys do is they strip back all my poor old tomato plants. Couldn't move those ones. They strip back all the tiles, lift up the terracotta tiles, and clean off all the lining underneath. And they'll replace any that needs replaced. Check all the wood. Take off any, retreat the wood for worm, and take off any that needs replaced and put new ones on. Just clean everything up and fix it all back on. So we're having the roof of the main house and these first two sheds here done, and this is how far they've got so far. They arrived about 7 o'clock this morning, something like that. Yeah, 7 o'clock they arrived. Because it's high summer and really hot, and I mean, this is an optimum time for doing roofs when it's dry. Get the odd thunderstorms, but it's dry season basically. But it does mean it's very hot as well. So they've got to get started really early in the morning and try and get as much work done as possible before the sun comes up. But there's 3 guys, and I don't know, they've been here maybe 2 hours, something like that. I don't actually know what time it is, but I'm making a guess. They've been here 2 hours, and they're just taking a wee break. Jay's making them coffee, and that's how far they've got, which is fantastic. So really happy about this. So that's getting done, and then we'll get some new windows in the house, and that'll be us secure for the winter. Don't think you'll be able to see up there with this morning sun shining. We're south facing, so it's brilliant. Everything in this village is south facing pretty much. So the houses are on the north side, and then the whole garden's face south, which also has the lovely result that we have the sun rises on one side of our land up at the top where the camping field goes. So the sun rises there and then comes over all day and then sets over there, over the donkey castle as they call it, which is that bump up there, which is actually a Thracian tomb, thousands of years old, from the Thracians who preceded the Romans. Very, very old civilization. And everything's a bit messy. A lot of dust. Look at all this. We didn't quite get all the plants moved over before they started. Because, yeah, when it moves, you know. It's been months since I first spoke to Paul, who's the guy who's doing the work for us. Look at this. It's only August, but the grapes aren't ready. But a couple of them are okay to eat. So we've started pinching one or two off. Yeah, months ago I spoke to Paul, and then we had to wait for the house sale to go through, and we were kind of like rethinking what we wanted to do for a while. And by the time we actually rebooked him properly to get started from all the delays, he was really, really busy and packed up with work, and didn't know when he'd be able to fit us in. And then just in the matter of a week, he's taken on some extra guys and fitted us in. Contacted me on Saturday going, you might have somebody to start Monday, and here they are, 7 o'clock Monday morning. Can't say better than that. And that's Bulgaria for you. The things get delayed, things take longer than you think, and then when they get going, they just boom happen. Anyway, I'm off, and we'll do some more updates as time goes by on our new roof. Woohoo! It's so exciting, something's actually happening. Okay, right, bye for now.